So this is my factory 5 MKII hood hinge assembly. I'm not 100% sure I've got this right. So I wanted to post this and make sure. Man, I scuffed up my pretty paint job. And then on this side, I'm not sure where these go. I'm guessing they go on the inside of the hood brackets. And this is the piece that goes on the hood. I've got 6 big nuts to hold that on. Now they give you, but this was in the same package. They don't really expect you to rivet this onto the hood, do they? Anyway, it took a while to get that assembled. I didn't have the instructions, or I did and I lost them actually. So I had to look at pictures online until I figured it out. But take a look at it. If you see I did anything wrong, let me know. I think I've got it right. Pretty sure anyway.